Today we will look briefly into Indus Water Treaty, and this treaty is signed in 1960, exactly on date 19 September 1960, between India and Pakistan. And this treaty was negotiated by World Bank, IBRD particularly, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, and this is the most successful treaty till now because it survived many wars. Partition of India in 1947. After that, division of water of Indus River system was a major concern. In this line, later World Bank negotiated this treaty. Approximately 9 years of talks. Then, after 1954, World Bank proposed some solution, and that solution was finally signed at Karachi at 19 September 1960. And from both side, from India side, JL Nehru, the Prime Minister of India of that time, and from Indian side, Jawaharlal Nehru, and from Pakistan side was Ayub Khan, President of Pakistan at that time, who signed the treaty at Karachi. In this treaty, division of water of six rivers, six major rivers, and their tributaries also. Six major rivers are divided into two halves: western and eastern rivers. Western rivers, that are Indus, Jhelum, and Chenab, and these rivers belongs to Pakistan according to treaty, and eastern rivers Ravi, Beas, Satluj belongs to India. And what actually was there in the treaty, that India can also use the water of Western River, but for non-consumptive use. That means India can't store the water, and India can use the water to generate electricity even, but is through run of the river projects only. Means India can't store water actually, and water of eastern river that belongs to India ultimately goes to Pakistan. So we have to understand that here that there are six rivers. Water of western rivers can be used by India partially or for non-consumptive use. And that means that India can use water for the uses in which we don't store water, or there is no disturbance or no lessening of the flow of the water towards Pakistan. And as long as the eastern rivers are concerned, we can make dams and we can generate electricity over there. But finally, that water also goes into the Pakistan. So as we can see through the treaty, that Pakistan is the main beneficiary of the treaty. And there is some institutional mechanism. If there is some dispute regarding the treaty, then according to this treaty of Indus Water Treaty in 1960, there is a permanent Indus Commission to resolve the issues or grievances of concerned party. And we have these are the rights and obligation of India, that we can have full right over eastern rivers, that we had already discussed. And dispute resolution can be done through PIC, that is Permanent Indus Commission. And challenges and issues are basically about Pakistan's again and again tries to delay Indian projects through different mechanism, like they used to go to ICJ, International Court of Justice, etc., to delay Indian projects like Kishan Ganga project, Tulbul navigation project, that is western side of the Ular lake, and certain other projects like Ratle hydroelectric project, etc. And in recent times, due to different attacks from the Pakistan sides, like Uri attack, recent Pahalgam attack, etc., we are under pressure. Our government is under pressure to look into the treaty again, because here Pakistan is the major beneficiary of the treaty. Then even he is again and again doing such activities in our land, and that's why India is thinking about uh, to end this treaty, or at least put it in abeyance for some time, so that Pakistan can learn some lesson. But India is a responsible country, and to end treaty from one side, it is not good for Indian image, and so India is thinking all over situations. And as per 1969 Vienna Convention of on the law of treaties, there are certain conditions on only where when a party by itself can end a treaty. for example, at the time of war, etc. But this treaty has survived many wars and conflicts, so we can understand uh, that we can renegotiate the treaty, or either we can put pressure on Pakistan, through different other means, and we can put this treaty in abeyance, at least make Pakistan some uncomfortable situation, that we can do right now. And these are the criticism of the treaty, of course, from Indian side, that we are giving benefit to the Pakistan, after their such terror activities in Kashmir, and proxy wars, and wars through these terrorists in India. So we have to think about